The 13 best gardening and landscaping Instagram accounts. Succulents are a fantastic choice for even the busiest of people. These plants add a touch of the great outdoors to your home, but with minimal maintenance. The At Fairy Blooms Insta page takes succulents to the next level with colorful, dynamic, and oftentimes tiny arrangements that you'll want to adopt into your own space. San Francisco-based Conservatory of Flowers aims to inspire people through horticulture and the wonders of plants. Their garden landscape is as serene as it is alive, bursting with color and a new flower to smell at every turn. You'll definitely draw inspiration from their page. Wallerton Old Hall Garden is a UK-based oasis with beautiful horticulture at every turn. The grounds are covered in lush greenery and stunning flowers, all with an English countryside charm. After a trip here, or a scroll through the account, you will be so ready to bring your own garden up to par. Could you imagine having this as your backyard? This perfectly manicured, little green getaway is one of many featured on this account. At JMD Landscapes, feed is full of great landscaping ideas and breathtaking designs with touches of plant life, too. And, finally, there is the Gardenettes, a community and account dedicated to gardening, DIY, and cooking videos. Run by Chloe Thompson and Melissa King, you will absolutely be sure to find tons of inspo for your own garden. Marie Viljoen is a forager, gardener, and author of the book, Forage, Harvest, Feast, A Wild-Inspired Cuisine. Her feed is a curation of her items collected when foraging, her stunning garden projects, and the delicious meals she creates out of what she grows and finds. She also documents her travels and displays the beautiful plants, fruits, vegetables, and herbs that can be found around the world. It looks like something out of a dream, doesn't it? New York-based Brooklyn Botanic Garden is a colorful testament to the beauty of the authentic outdoors. It's educational, too, and you'll learn tons about the flowers, trees, and more featured on this Insta. Stunning photography, eye-catching petals, alluring colors, that's exactly what you get when you stumble onto At Proven Winners account. They are definitely worth the follow, especially if you're a novice gardener looking for inspiration. Couldn't you just see yourself relaxing in Sharon's garden here? Us too. Her Instagram is an absolutely enchanting dream, one that Sharon gets to call her home and her reality. You will feel as though you've stepped into a floral fairy tale the second you scroll through her page. How many plants are too many? Answer: the limit doesn't exist. And Erin Harding's account is proof. Her home has a different plant at every turn, but still leaves room for more, pun intended. Rachel is an excellent gardener, located in Surrey, UK. So much so that she can make everything from an artichoke to a radish look beautiful. Nothing beats homegrown, and that's exactly how Rachel leads her life. She's attempting to live the good life, and as shown by her Instagram, she's certainly achieving it. Nick Bailey is a garden designer and freelance horticulturist. His Instagram features stunning photography and great ideas to take away for your own garden. Colorful, dynamic, and perfectly curated is how we'd describe Nick's page. He's definitely worth the follow. Not the usual garden you'd think of, but equally as inspiring and important. This page is dedicated to intentional, wasteless living, with compost and homegrown food. At the _worm_munger also sheds light on how beneficial worms are for the composting process. They're not the icky crawlers many people make them out to be. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.